Hello everyone, welcome back to the final part discussion of PU question series. So 101st question is, which of the following is a non-reducing sugar? So non-reducing sugar is a carbohydrate type which do not have CHO, aldehydic or ketonic group for oxidation. So the correct answer here is sucrose, which is a disaccharide made up of one molecule and one molecule of fructose. It is a non-reducing sugar. This question, starch is a polymer of. The answer is alpha. The answer is D-glucose, where adjacent D-glucose units are linked with alpha 1,4 glycosidic bonds. Next question, GTP is produced during. The answer is TCA cycle, which is also known as Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle. So the production of GTP occurs during the Krebs cycle, and it is a high energy molecule which can be converted into ATP. Next question, identify a Y electron carrier protein of the electron transport system. The answer here is 4, cytochrome C and cytochrome C1b. So these are part of electron transport chain, ETC, which take place in the mitochondria, and both are involved in the electron transport. This question, chemi-osmotic concept of ATP synthesis was first proposed by, so the answer here is Peter Michael. This theory, chemi-osmotic theory, it explains the mechanism of ATP synthesis where in mitochondria as well as in chloroplast. Next question, out of the given fatty acids named on the numbering pattern, which one represent a conjugated type unsaturated fatty acid? The answer here is third, 80:2, 9 and 11. A conjugated unsaturated fatty acid has alternating single and double bonds. In given option, this one representing a fatty acid with two double bonds at position 9 and at position 11, which are separated by a single bond, thus forming a conjugated system. So next question, when a purified nucleosomal fraction is digested with NaCl after electrophoretic separation, it is likely to show. The answer is a ladder of 10 to 200 base pairs. And why it happens? Due to the protection offered by histones. Okay. Next question, proofreading function of DNA polymerases are associated with their. The answer here is 3-5 exonuclease activity. So proofreading is primarily carried out by this 3:5 exonuclease activity, which allows them to incorrectly remove incorrect nucleotide sequences, right? Next question, which one is the correct representation of cap structure of the eukaryotic mRNA? So the answer here is this. The answer is here 5. It's 5 5. There are mRNA. mRNA has polarity 5 dash and 3 dash. So a methylated cap is added at the free 5 dash end, which is made up of guanine. G stands for guanine, which is rich in guanine. So this is representing a cap structure of eukaryotic mRNA. Next question, peptide transferase that catalyze peptide bond formation during protein synthesis is A. The answer is component of large ribosomal subunit. As we know, ribosomes are protein factories and protein synthesis occur in ribosome. Next question, degeneracy of genetic code is explained by. The answer here is Bobel hypothesis. And what is Bobel hypothesis? We know where multiple codons can code for the same amino acids. Okay, degeneracy is the condition where multiple codons can code for the same amino acids. And according to Bogle hypothesis, a codon is a triplet where third position is not fixed. Okay. This question, restriction enzymes act as, the answer is both. Second entry, they act as endonuclease as well as they create single strand DNA breaks. Okay, right? Restriction enzyme, they are used to cleave DNA. They are used to cleave or cut DNA. Next question, superior hypophyseal artery forms primary plexus in the region of. The answer is median eminence. Median eminence. So this artery forms primary plexus in the median eminence, which is the part of hypophyseal portal system. Hypophyseal portal system, which is related to the pituitary gland. Pituitary and hypothalamus. Next, effect of growth hormone or protein metabolism are mediated by. So the answer here is somatonadins. Somatonadins. They are also known as insulin-like growth factors. Next question, the enzyme adenylate cyclase converts. The answer here is ATP to CAM, which is also known as second messenger. Second messenger. Next question, which hormone helps in parturition? Very simple question, the answer is oxytocin. It is a primary hormone that plays a key role in stimulating uterine contraction. So it causes uterine contraction. Next question, which one is not a steroid hormone? The answer here is relaxin. It is a peptide hormone. While all these are steroid hormones derived from the cholesterol. Next, which one is a correct statement? The answer here is first, parathormone increases plasma level of calcium. Yes, it is correct. As by parathormone PTH, it absorbs calcium from bones and so its level in plasma will increase. It is antagonistic to parathormone. Next question, excess secretion of growth hormone in adult leads to. The answer here is acromegaly. Acromegaly. And gigantism, it occurs if there is excess growth hormone secretion in adolescence. And dwarfism, low GH secretion during childhood. Next question, secretion of which hormone form pars distalis is under an inhibitory control of hypothalamus. The answer here is prolactin. Prolactin secretion from anterior pituitary or pars distalis is under the control of hypothalamus through dopamine. Next, cells involved in bone formation are. The answer here is osteoblasts. Osteoblasts. Next question, in islets of Langerhans alloxan treatment specifically, the answer is B cells. Alloxan, what is this? This is a chemical compound known to selectively destroy insulin producing beta cells. Beta cells. Where and these beta cells are located in the pancreas. Next question, inhibin exerts negative feedback action on. The answer is follicle stimulatory hormone. And this inhibin, it is secreted by the Sertoli cells. It is secreted by the Sertoli cells. Next question, if the dorsal blastophore tissue of xenopus embryo is transplanted into the ventral side of another embryo, then the answer is a secondary axis is formed in the transplanted embryo, develops into a twins. Okay? This experiment was performed by Spearman and demonstrated the organizing ability of dorsal blastophore. The blastophore, this dorsal blastophore, it has totipotent It has totipotent cells, which has the potential to develop into another whole organism. Next question. Embryonic stem cells of mammals are derived from. The answer here is inner cell mass. It is a cluster of cells inside the blastocyst. So it's a blastocyst. Here lies trophoblast, and there is hope cells which forms the inner cell mass, stem mass. Next, polysyndactyly, many fingers joined together syndrome appears due to mutation in. The answer here is HOX, Hope's genes. Hope's genes. Next question, mammalian genome has. The answer here is 2 Hope's completes A, NTC and B, XC genes. Next, in mammals, the primary sex is not determined by. It's not determined by. The answer here is X autosome ratio. X autosome ratio, but it happens in Drosophila. While SRY genes, presence of Y chromosome and SOX9, they help in determination of sex. Next, during male development, the Wolffian duct differentiates into epididymis and vas deferens. It's a correct statement. While Mullerian duct, they differentiates into the secondary female reproductive organs. Female reproductive organs. Okay. Wolffian ducts do not generate, but Mullerian ducts degenerate here. This question, teratogens they are exogenous agents that cause birth defects. Exogenous, it means they are acquired from the external environment and they cause developmental abnormalities in embryo. Next question, the term epimorphosis is used for. The answer here is regeneration, where redifferentiation of petal structure followed by redifferentiation occurs. Next question, bones and cartilage of our body develop from. The answer here is embryonic mesoderm. Embryonic mesoderm. The thickened ectodermal tissue of in limb bud which stimulates and guides mesenchymal cell to form limb is known as. The answer here is apical ectodermal ridge. I suggest you to read Gilbert book on Dabio. So this question will be our most comprehensively covered from books. Next, programmed cell death is the regular feature in shaping or pattern in specific tissues and organs during development. Which of the following occurred programmed cell death, which is also known as apoptosis? Apoptosis. The answer here is formation of digits in limb. Formation of digits in limb. These are digits and we have spaces around here. In fetus, what happens? Between digits there are web-like structure, but these undergo programmed cell death and disappear during of fetus. This question, for metamorphosis in insect, the important hormone is secreted from prothoracic gland, and the name of the hormone is ecdysone. Next, which one of the following strategies is economically unsuitable at present for mineral conservation? Answer is ocean floor mining. Ocean floor mining. It is economically unsuitable. Next, maximum water consumption occurs in. The answer is irrigation. Next, main criteria for a country to qualify as mega diverse country is. The answer is species abundance as well as endemism. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th of June. Next, assemblages of hoofed mammals are found in the temperate grasslands. Next, new neurons are formed seasonally in specific brain areas of. The answer is canaries. Next, male silk moth detects male sex hormone with the help of specialized receptor located on their antennae. So antennae have specialized receptor to detect pheromones. Which of the following is a FAP? FAP. The answer here is a herring gull chick pecks at the red spot of its parents' beak. Next question. Moving behavior shown by birds is a type of. The answer is anti-predatory behavior. Anti-predatory behavior, so they can protect themselves from the predators. Cross fostering experiments are most useful to understand the genetic basis of behavior. Genetic basis of behavior. Next, the level of taxonomy concerned with the assignment of species into a natural system of lower and higher taxa is known as systematics. Systematics. Next, biosystematic aims at the classification of organisms based on their evolutionary history and establishing their phylogeny or the totality of various parameters from all fields of studies. Next, the taxonomic category cohort comes in between. The answer is class and order. Comes between class and orders. Next, pebrine is a disease caused by a protozoan parasite affecting from sericulture. Sericulture. It is caused by Nosema protozoan and it affects sericulture silk. Ombicol is secreted by, the answer is female silk moth. It is a sex hormone, sex pheromone used by the female silk moth to attract the male silk moth. So I hope these 150 questions are clear to you. Thank you so much.